Hello, I really don't feel like I have very long to film this video. There are various things going on today involving art that I need to accomplish, so this is really makeshift and it's going to be done rather quickly. The author of the day is Kirsten Miller. She wrote this nice little doodad. I thought this was a really cool book, so you should read Kiki's Strike Inside Shadow City. There's a second and a third coming out, I believe. I got this book for free and then I read it and then I enjoyed it and I recommend it, so look into that. Challenge. There was the number 5. I would like you to write about 5 things that you have accomplished so far in life that you feel like when you are older you will be able to look back on and see as very good accomplishments to be who you are. The page is 34. So, Suki, you get to do that. Sweetness. I should say something else because that's just boring. Coraline. I have this book, Coraline, here. 50 cents at Youth Ranch. I kind of started reading it at one point, I believe, and I was looking forward to reading it. And now the movie came out, and it just doesn't look appealing to me very much at all. Maybe I should just read it. Stop judging things, but as it is, I don't know. Anyway, check out my typewriter number 1. It's a nice Olympia. It's all the shenanigans going on. I'm sorry this was rushed. Next week, I will make an epic video because my internet is hopefully back up for keeps, and there will not be another incident like last week where the video never appeared at all, so I apologize for that. Everybody, I hope to see you later. I don't know. DFTBA. Nerd Fighters with one hand. I'm out, guys. Peace.